In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Outlook rule with specific words in body. If you get a lot of emails and want Outlook to act on them automatically, based on what's written inside the message, this walkthrough is for you. We'll set up a rule that looks for specific words or phrases in the body of an email, and then performs actions you choose like moving it to a folder or marking it as read. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can follow along without guesswork. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're in the main mail view so the app's menus and settings are available. Next, go to the File tab in the top left corner. This is where all of Outlook's behind the scenes settings live, including account options and rules. Select Options. This opens the Outlook options window, which is where you configure preferences for mail, calendar, and more. In the options window, click the mail category on the left, then find and open Rules. This is your hub for creating, editing, and turning rules on or off. Choose New Rule to start from scratch. You'll see a layout that first asks you what condition should trigger the rule, then what action Outlook should take. Under Conditions, select Message Body Includes. This tells Outlook to scan the main content of incoming emails rather than just the subject line or sender. It's great for catching specific phrases that people commonly use in requests, alerts, or notifications. Keep in mind that rules like this are typically not case sensitive, so invoice and invoice are treated the same. Enter the words or phrases you want to target. Think about realistic variations. For example, if you're tracking invoice, you might also include invoices or billing. If you need an exact phrase, type it as you expect it to appear in the email body. Avoid overly generic terms to reduce false matches. Now choose the action or actions to apply when Outlook finds those words. Common choices include moving the email to a specific folder, categorizing it with a color, marking it as read, flagging it, or forwarding it to a designated address. You can combine multiple actions like moving and categorizing, so your messages land exactly where you want and are easy to spot. If you're considering delete or permanently delete, use caution. Make sure your keywords are specific enough to avoid losing legitimate messages. When everything looks right, click Save. Your new rule is now active, and Outlook will apply it to incoming emails that match your conditions. If you need to refine it later, just return to the same rules area to edit or temporarily turn it off.